going on, you guys? I'm gonna be installing the Shogun bar end, what are they called again? Bar end sliders. These are made out of like this really durable plastic, polymer, whatever. They're a lot nicer than what's stock on the on my Honda CBR. And the interesting thing about this is that there's a lot of videos out there that exist where somebody is trying to remove these, trying to replace these, and they're doing a really terrible job for a number of reasons. And I'm going to show you how to do it properly. I've never done this before. That's a lie, because I did this side already. Boy, is it tough. Why this is so difficult for people? There's a number of reasons. Because brand new, at the very least, brand new, right out of the factory, they put a ton of Loctite on the screw that's holding this thing in. So if you're trying to thread this out, look at this, look at the difficult time I'm having right now. Well, not difficult time, but I'm showing that I can easily spin this with my hand. Now, so what we're gonna do is we gotta protect this, the grip here. So I got a really cold, wet rag. I'm gonna wrap it around just like that. And you know what, we're gonna wet just where the crevice is at. We're gonna wet where the crevice is at. All right, I don't know what difference that will make, but it should work. All right, so in order to install this properly, we're gonna have to heat up these grips. Just gonna leave that there. Let's check this out. If I try to just remove it willy-nilly, it won't let me. Oh, whoops. Yeah, see, it's really difficult, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that, I promise. Hold up. Really want to make sure that this is wet, you guys. Trying to get it as cold as possible because this thing is gonna fry. It's gonna get really hot. All right, so in the background, what you didn't see is that I have a heat gun right here and I have a soldering iron right here. We're gonna use these. Give me a minute. I gotta bring these way closer to me. All right, there we go. I'm gonna try to do my best to have the heat gun away from the bike, away from the grips, that sort of thing.
A few moments later.
All right, we're gonna see where we stand. Fuck. Okay. All right, perfect. The rubber is intact, which is what I wanted. Let's get some cloths, or not cloths, some shop towels. We're gonna get 2 of them. Fold it up like that. Get another one. Fold it up like that. This should wrap around nicely. All right, baby. All right. Ugh. Let's get our premium Milwaukee vise. Oh, shit. There we go. All right, where's my tool? All right. Probably gonna want this in here just like that, because we're gonna need the, we're gonna have to break it. So now what I'm doing is I'm just tightening up the Milwaukee vise so it doesn't go anywhere. Oh shit, that guy is hot. Screw it, let's try this out. Oh, it's coming out, I think. And I lied. This is really getting on my nerves. All right, let's try this like that. Yeah, it came loose. Huzzah! I'm still holding it in. I probably should have kept the heat on for about a minute or two more. All right, this is gonna be really hot, so I gotta get the Milwaukee gloves on. I honestly should have had these guys on the entire time. That was a rookie mistake, you guys. You just caught a rookie mistake on film. I don't do too many of those. Psych. I always make mistakes when I'm filming because I don't got my mind on what it is that I'm doing. Got my mind on other things. All right, so now my hands are protected. Let's go. Oh, yeah, look at that. Ooh. Sticky. Fuck. Oh my god, I did not mean to fucking drop it. Well, there's so much for keeping this thing intact. No, it doesn't matter. As I suspected, it was gonna get chewed up anyways. Yeah, look at all this gunk, man. Look at all this gunk. Look at this thing, man. See that gunk? Ooh, this thing's warm. I mean, this isn't that bad of shape. The worst part about it was, yeah, I'm gonna have to sand this guy down and repaint this, make it look nice. Or I can just take it to my boys and have them re-Cerakote it. No harm, no foul. No big deal. Or maybe I can get them to Cerakote it to match the tank. All right, well, there's that. Yeah, I'm gonna leave these out like that. I'm not worried about it, you guys. All right. Woo. So, let's take a look at the grips here. Yeah, the grips are great. They're not deformed. And like I said, I did them over here as well. And they're not deformed at all. These aren't going to go anywhere. Once you put these... No, let me... Okay, I just wanted to make sure that this wasn't too hot. Because if it was too hot, I don't think I could install this yet. I had to wait about 30 minutes. But this should be ready to rock and roll. So, I'm going to go ahead and put these away. All that's left is this guy right here. This is the correct size for the screw that was provided by Shogun. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Now, I want to show you guys something really quick. Compare the Shogun... Oh, that's fucking hot. I was like trying to make sure I didn't grab the correct one. Yeah, these are a little heavy. These ones are significantly heavy. There's a good weight to them. So this probably helps a little bit in reducing the weight. These ones are incredibly light. So you are lightening up the bike even though you're extending out the... here, I'm just going to place them down really quick. Here, let me move this out of the way. Yeah. So right here, this is the Shogun. It's significantly longer, noticeably longer. But if we flip them over... They're made exactly the same. They have the exact same shape. You see that, you guys? Let me give you the exposed view. They have the exact same shape. All right, let's install this and call it a day. Yeah, I'm just going to get those re-Cerakoted in the same exact color, just so I can be like, oh, yeah, they're stock. There's nothing wrong with them. Nothing ever happened. Okay. So, yeah, this is how you do it, you guys. They probably have like some specialty tools at the shops. I don't have any specialty tools. I just have, you know, what I have here. Oh my god, my dog is crying. She wants my love and attention. Alright, so I'm basically doing what they did. I'm just coating this in Loctite, spinning that guy around. You want to make sure you're not hovering over the bike when you're doing this. Last thing you want is to get this Loctite on the paint. All right, let's do this very carefully. All right. All right, I should do the trick, you guys. Here, let's wipe this down. I just think I had a little bit of Loctite in there, just a little bit protruding out. Very nice, very clean. All right, let's go ahead and wipe down this side as well. Very nice, very clean. These aren't going anywhere. These are not going anywhere, you guys. I promise you. Let's see if we can tighten this up just a wee bit more. That's about it. That's about it. So we're gonna let this cure. I'm not gonna ride this thing until another 24 hours, and the Loctite would pretty much have done its job already. And yeah, let's just take a look, you guys. Take a look. These are the Shogun bar end sliders. All that was included. Oh yeah, by the way, here's the gap. It reduces the gap just a little bit between the grip where the throttle's at and the bar end. It was a little bit more pronounced on the stock one. Dude, these are nice, man. These are really, really nice. Let's get a closer look. Okay. So I gotta do something about this cord. No deformity whatsoever from the heat gun. You can probably put some protectant, some VRP from Chemical Guys on these, and then put the rag over it if you really wanted to. So yeah, these are fantastic. I might put a little bit of Super Tech grease on a Q-tip and just place it on there, just so if water gets in there, it's not going to, you know, rust anything out or corrode anything, and you know, just protecting it. And of course, the body, everything is fine. Nothing is impacted by what I did with the heat gun, etc., etc. So yeah, we're just gonna let everything cool off. We're done, you guys. This is it. These are the Shogun bar end sliders for the Honda CBR 250, 300, and a few other models. I don't remember. That's all it came. That's all that was in the box. Just the bar end sliders and the screw. No instructions. That's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.